right, so we're beginning our weekend. Today is Saturday, June 14th, and we have the president of the Garifuna Heritage Foundation here, headed towards the protest on No King's Day, right, Cheryl?
That's right.
Okay. Can you give us a little briefing of what's going on today?
So today we're basically joining along with the nationwide protest against this administration and fighting for immigration, fighting for the right to protest, our American rights to make sure that we can demonstrate peacefully in the street for the rights that we have from the Constitution of the United States. So it's important for us to participate, be seen, have a voice, because we live here, we don't need to hide. So that's why we're participating today.
Any message for the Garifuna community?
Don't be scared, know your rights, and do what you gotta do to have a plan. If you don't have papers, you know what your status are. Make sure that you have a plan, let your family know what that plan is. So if they illegally detain you, you know what to do.
Plus, there's a lot of resources out there from your local council, general office, whether it's Nicaragua, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras. There is a network of entities that are helping people go through these times of fear because of the Trump administration and the way they want to be able to meet that quota. It's not about deporting illegal criminals anymore. It's about meeting the quota, right?
Correct. It's about beating an arbitrary number. This administration wants to deport at least 1 million people by the end of the year. They weren't meeting that quota initially, so now they're just picking up whoever they can, regardless of your immigration status. So be careful. Pretty much the easy target right now are Latinos, people of color. So just be aware. Again, know your rights. Don't live in fear, and have a plan. That's my message.
Thank you. So this is the city of Long Beach, and there's a protest going on that was organized in the city of Long Beach at the Junipero and Ocean Avenue. There's a park there, and that's where the meeting place will be today at 9 a.m. So we're headed there. We'll keep you posted. Bye. Okay, now we're only 1 block away. Actually, we are at the park, and we could see the movement of people. Hundreds, if not thousands of people are here at the protest today. We want to make sure that we represent and that we are able to bring you a little bit of the activities that are being celebrated here in Los Angeles, the port of Long Beach actually, which is part of Los Angeles County. And so it looks like a well-organized protest. Look, with hundreds of people walking with flags and signs. I like this sign right here. Let's look at this sign: enforce our laws and constitution, impeach Trump now. We support that 100%. Thank you.
Amazing signs up there.
Really? I'm gonna go get a little bit of.
Oh, there we go.
Let me see yours. President Taco, you are not a king in the United States or the world. Bibi, Putin, Kim Jong-un are all laughing at you. Jester. Okay.
Take care.
Oh, another beautiful sign. Look at that one. You deserve prison, but you won't get. I like that. The king since 1776. Yes, indeed.
Yes.
The other side as well.
No, let's see. So much wrong, so little cardboard. Oh my God.
I support that.
Taylor Swift and Sparkles help. Yeah, very
Yes,
nice.
I support that.
Let me see yours. Let me see yours.
I need to take a picture.
Let's look at yours. Oh my God, you stepped on that mud.
Fascist wires.
Resist, only you can.
Love it.
Oh man, that's good. Thank you guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Hundreds of people and everybody seems to be happy and they happen to like the protest. I don't hear any negativity.
It's a family event.
Sure, can you describe a little bit what you see?
I'm just seeing a whole bunch of diversity, community, gathering. You know, we're all just here to support each other, families, young, old, and it's peaceful. You know, don't believe the hype when they said that the United States is divided. We're more to united than we are divided. We are all one people. We are all one collective human race. And regardless of what our ethnicity is, we know that what this administration is doing right now is wrong with these illegal raids, with this president trying to be king, not just to the United States, but to the world. We don't support that. You know, in the words of Garrison, okay? That's what I think of him.
All right. There's live music and we could hear hundreds if not thousands of people just cheering up. And it's a very nice ambiance. But I see two separate groups. One over there at the end by the ocean. No one paid me to be here. I hate Trump for free.
Yes, I
like that. Yes. Let's look at this one. If you are not scared and shocked or angry, you are not paying attention. Wake up, the world is watching. Yes, indeed. Human rights are not negotiable. Yes, read the Constitution.
Yes,
Thank you.
Support you.
No king in USA eyes out of California. Yes, indeed. And then Cheryl has her, got it from the flag, representing right there. Very good.
Always. Watch out for. Watch where you're walking.
It's amazing to see.
This is America, man. This is the America that I'm used to. This is the America that I love. Freedom, the freedom to protest against what's going on here right now with this ridiculous administration. Bunch of cowards.
Along with Elon Musk, Miller, Stephen Bannon, all those fools that are in power.
That want to be Barbie fool.
Kristen Noem, all of them.
She needs to go back into the hole she came from. Trump's behind.
Perpetrators, white racist.
President Taco.
This is what's going on here. Lots of people driving. No King's Day today in Long Beach. Leave you out here with Cheryl to give us a little narrative of what's going on.
I'm just I can do a narrative. I'm in the moment, living in the moment.
It's happening, ladies and gentlemen. It's happening in the city of Long Beach. We're on Junipero and Ocean Boulevard in Long Beach, witnessing history. It's a time to protest. It's a time to resist what Trump wants to make out of this country. Let's read this sign right here. They're eating. Chicks, they're eating bananas. Beautiful sign. Get an idea of the amount of people here who are here protesting today on Saturday, June 14th in Long Beach.